If you don't know what NOTRX is, it's my optimizing tool that I made for your PC, for my PC, basically for any Windows 10, 11 PC. Today we're gonna test it out, see if it's any good. First I'm gonna test out my PC in a couple of games, then we're gonna optimize it, do all of the best settings to make it as fast as possible, and I'll also show you what are my favorite settings to use and some other settings that might not make your FPS better, but might clean your PC, debloat your PC, make your UI look better. Let's go in and test it out and see how to install it. What's up everybody, here we are on my PC and today we're gonna test it out, see how it does in games. First we're gonna start without optimizing it with NOTRX at all. So as you can see here we have the link getnotrx.com and we're gonna test it out, but first we of course have to get some like before and after. So we're gonna be trying out two games. First one being Minecraft. We're gonna be using Minecraft with a couple of mods. I think one is for like higher render distance or something like that, and then Fortnite. So we're gonna start off with Minecraft. So here we are in Minecraft. As you can see here, the mod is loading in. So it's a mod that makes it like render further. So as you can see here, it's pretty laggy. We're getting 80 FPS. It's still not loaded all the way. Let me actually just go up here. I have the thing set up. So as you can see here, the render distance is pretty far. So we're just gonna get like a before and after for Minecraft. So if you look at that way, we're getting around 40 FPS. I'd say 40. An average about 40 probably. 38, 40, as you can see here, around 42, 40, I'd say an average about 40. I'm probably already like lagging. The camera is probably, yeah, it's lagging like crazy. So it's a pretty intensive mod. Let me just show you my settings real quickly. I am using sodium, just so you know. 19 chunks, 18 chunks for this. Let me just click F3 and these are the settings. So remember, we got 40 FPS on Minecraft. Now it's time to go into Fortnite and test out Fortnite. So here we are now in Fortnite. We're gonna go to 0 build, solo, reload, I don't know. And let me just show you, like, these are the stock settings that Fortnite give it to me. I literally just installed Fortnite, so DirectX 12 and medium preset. Okay, so we're gonna go into just normal battle royale. Okay, so here we're loading in late. We're getting 60 FPS right now, dropping in. I'll just land at like one of the mountains, I guess. We'll be able to see the most of the world. So let's just land up here. We're gonna land up here basically the entire video. Land here, wait for everything to load in. Watch, and we're gonna look at specific, like maybe like there. We're getting 70 FPS. Running around, we're getting still pretty stable 70 FPS. We look up, we're getting 120. It's not even that stuttery. It's pretty actually like 60 FPS, decent. Oh, now it's stuttering. Oh, now it's stuttering a lot. Ooh, that's bad. Here Fortnite started stuttering so much, so if you want to skip to the part, I got around 40 FPS. If you want to skip this part, make sure to go to the timeline that's on the video. Okay, maybe just started loading the textures all the way and it's struggling. Let's wait for it to calm down. But yeah, it's stuttering a lot. But if you like, we're getting 50, 40 FPS, an average of 40. Oh no, I cannot die. But it's so like, it's lagging like crazy. It's lagging like crazy. Oh my god. I'm even, oh no. I'd say around 40 FPS when all the things are loaded. It's bad. It's like so stuttering. I am recording on this PC, but I will be recording when I optimize it. So 40 FPS. Yeah, let's optimize this thing and make it pretty fast. Okay, so here we are on the website of NOTRX. Let me just scroll up. So as you can see here, it supports Windows 10 and Windows 11. It costs $10 to get yourself a free key, or you can just watch my videos early and get one free. Here there will be a free key every 1 minute. So you've probably already seen one. So yeah, this is all the things that we got in the app, so we got tweaks, we got game optimizations. We're gonna use this to make Fortnite go faster, I guess. But then we also have visual settings. That's for like UI, like animations, all of this stuff right here. And we also have ultra delete, which will delete all the unnecessary stuff that you might have on your PC. Here are just some boost stuff. If you scroll a bit down, you have all of the features: update control, deep load, privacy, performance windows. Then we have all the supported games. We got from Cyberpunk, Minecraft, Roblox, whatever. And we also have some tutorials, and also this video will probably be on here. And it costs $10, and also make sure to check out, before you buy it, check out system requirements. But if you still have some questions, make sure to contact support. Let's get optimizing. I'm gonna download it. It's right here, as you can see here, right here. Download it, save it. It might show Windows protected your PC or something like that. It's not a virus, it's just unknown app for Windows. Here you have to click more information and run anyway. Now this is the setup process. Just click next and save it. Now we can find it right here. Click open, click yes. You need to have administrator enabled to use it, so click yes here. And I'm already logged in. Let me just log out. So if you get a key for free right here or buy it, make sure to put your key here. It's like NOTRX dot and some numbers and letters, and then your email and your password. I already have an account, so I'll just log in with my account. So okay, nice. Now that we're in, we're just gonna start optimizing. First, I would go and set up a restore point. Create a restore point, and then you just name create, wait for it to be done. Successful, perfect. Now we can start optimizing. First, I'll select the max performance. So these are all the settings that it's gonna enable. So we get disable background apps, disable startup apps, like the apps that start when your PC starts up. They just like basically destroy your FPS. Disable game bar. This is like a thing that records your gameplay. And disable animations. These are like animations that start up. And you also have a lot of other optimizing stuff that you can basically enable. These are the performance settings. So there we go. These are all the optimizing stuff that I'll do in the tweaks. So let's click run optimizations, wait for it to be done. Perfect. You can also close all of the windows if you want to clone like any browsers or stuff like that. I'm recording right now, so I'm probably not gonna do that. But if you still have any problems with anything here, just click here the tutorial and it will take you to the tutorial. Now let's go into game optimizations. Let's go into Fortnite, and I will optimize Fortnite. And Fortnite is optimized. Now we're gonna go to visual settings, and I will put best performance. So it's basically not gonna enable anything, just smooth fonts. Then we also have ultra delete, which will delete all the unnecessary applications, and we just scan for applications here. And here you can basically uninstall things that you don't want to have on your PC. I already have uninstalled basically everything that I don't want to have anymore, so we're basically done. But restart is probably the best, so I'm just gonna restart my PC and we should be able to test out. Here and now back with Minecraft with all of the optimizing stuff done to it. It's still pretty lagging because everything is loading in. I just wait for everything to load in. It should take a little bit, but I can definitely tell it's a lot better. We're getting 70, 80 FPS, 100 FPS. So I don't think all of the it's loaded all the way just yet. Let's just wait for it's still not the highest textures, but we got 100 FPS. Is a lot better. I also forgot when we were optimizing, I also optimized Minecraft, so I forgot about that. I just done it right now. But yeah, 130, 100 FPS, an average of 100 FPS from 45, or it's a pretty big jump, not gonna lie. Now it's actually playable. just look again. 100 FPS, 90 FPS looking around. That's pretty good. That's awesome. But we're getting nice 90 FPS, 100 FPS average. That's a pretty good improvement. Now let's go into Fortnite and test out Fortnite. So here we are now in Fortnite. We optimized Fortnite. So we should be like, it's optimized, and we optimized it with NOTRX. So we're pretty much ready, and let's see what's the difference in Fortnite. So here we are in Fortnite, and this is so much better already. Oh my god. Okay, it's still a bit stuttery. Let's just go on the map. We're gonna go to the same mountain that we were already earlier. So here it again started stuttering so much because it's a hard drive, and I was recording at max quality, so I got around 70 to 80 FPS at the end. So make sure to skip to this part that's on the screen if you wanna skip this part. Let's just drop right here. We just have to wait for everything to load in. I did save Fortnite on a hard drive, so it's not the fastest thing to load. So if you have Fortnite, first of all, save it on an SSD. We're still waiting for everything to load, but it's already a lot better on high, like on the high thing. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh my god. What am I doing? You wasn't like... Okay, so last time we were getting around... Oh, now it just feels so weird because you couldn't see it the other time. Okay, last time we got around 50 on the high and around 20 on the low. Now it's 70 on the high. A lot better. I am recording, that's why it's so stuttery. Oh my god. But like the FPS, it's a lot, 80 FPS instead of 50. It's still super stuttery because it's Fortnite. So if we look at the same, just optimized with NOTRX, we're getting 30 more FPS, which is almost, I think, 90-80% more, which is great. But yeah, that was it. That was NOTRX. So this was NOTRX. If you wanna get it, it's link in the description, and see you in the next one. It was a pretty fun one. So make sure to watch this video that's on the screen now, and see you in the next one.